Congratulations on buying a P1. This video will show you how to set up your P1 Ultra Short Throw projector. You should be able to find the following items in the box: the P1 projector, a remote control, AC power cord, micro USB cable, and a distance card. To ensure a sufficient viewing size, the P1 should be at least 10 inches from the wall with approximately 63 inches in height of wall space above the P1 for a 100-inch viewing screen. For detailed distance requirements, please see your user manual. After pushing the power button, you will see a setup screen. Please follow each step. Select the projection method, select system language, hold the remote control as close as possible to the projector, then press and hold the home and return key together for 5 seconds to pair your remote control. You will hear a sound when your remote control is successfully connected. Long press the option focus key to adjust the focus and press OK. Select a Wi-Fi network to connect your projector to the internet, or you can skip to the next step. Set the date and time for your projector, press OK for the legal notice page. Slightly adjust front tilt foot or move the projector until your projection image is perfectly square. Go to Menu, Display, Geometric Correction, then select Warp Calibration to finally adjust the projection image. Now your P1 setup is complete. Choose your favorite content to enjoy a truly immersive visual and audio experience. You can play movies from your Blu-ray player or PC, play video games through HDMI, or simply play your video clips from the USB reader directly from an external storage device. Hang the ALR screen with 2 people. After pushing the power button, you will see a setup screen. Please follow each step. Select the projection method, select system language, hold the remote control as close as possible to the projector, then press and hold the home and return key together for 5 seconds to pair your remote control. You will hear a sound when your remote control is successfully connected. Long press the option focus key to adjust the focus and press OK. Select a Wi-Fi network to connect your projector to the internet, or you can skip to the next step. Set the date and time for your projector, press OK for the legal notice page. Install the SmartFit app on either Google Play or the App Store. Open the SmartFit app and follow the steps to auto-fit the ALR screen. Connect your smartphone to the projector by making sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. You can also connect directly to the P1's own hotspot. Select Auto and go to the next step. Adjust the relative position of the projector to the ALR screen by moving the projector. Blue frame must be within the ALR screen frame and the yellow frame outside the ALR screen frame. Make sure there are no stickers or obstructions on the ALR projection screen and its frame. Align the crosshair over the cross icon in the center of the image and take a photo. Be sure the entire ALR screen and the frame are included in the photo. The projection image will auto-fit the ALR screen, or select Manual and adjust the screen manually. Select Start. Select Connect. To fit the screen manually, select Manual and go to the next step. Press Got It. Shift the blue point location to adjust the boundaries of the projected image. Press Check when adjustments to each point is completed. Select Save to save the adjusted image and go back to the first step. It's also simple to move your P1 to any room to enjoy more family time. Install the Optoma Connect app on either Google Play or the Apple App Store. You can choose your favorite template and enjoy it every day. Link your calendar, weather information, and favorite music to give an energetic start to your day. You can also choose your favorite atmosphere template to enjoy after coming back home.